Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Evidence Act, we were focusing on chapter 2, which is all about relevancy of facts covered between section 5 to 55, and in that series we were focusing on opinions covered between section 45 to 51. We are just left with one last section on this particular series, that is section 51, which is all about grounds of opinion when relevant. I have just one slide for this particular video. I am explaining the Bare Act provision, and then let us try understand the same with the help of a chart and finally one single illustration. I am straight away taking you to the only slide. Section 51 discusses about grounds of opinion when relevant. From section 45 to 50, we were discussing in the last 6 sections that when the opinion is relevant, but here we are discussing about the grounds of opinion when it becomes relevant. The provision says whenever the opinion of any living person is relevant, you need to observe 3 important things here. 1. There is an opinion made by a person in front of the court. 2. Such person is a living person. 3. The court has taken his opinion as relevant opinion. When these 3 are available, the grounds on which such opinion is based are also relevant. So once the opinion made by a living person is considered as relevant by the court, the grounds on which he has formed his opinion are also considered as relevant. That's all about section 51, and I have broken the same in the form of simple chart which has 2 parts. In the first part, there is an opinion which is made by a living person and court has considered such opinion as relevant opinion. In the second part, once after the completion of first part, on whatever basis he has came to such opinion, the grounds that he has utilized to conclude his opinion are also relevant once his opinion is considered as relevant by the court. As easy as that. The illustration says an expert may give an account of experiments performed by him for the purpose of forming his opinion. Now, an expert will give the grounds, the experiments that he has performed before he came to his conclusion and made the opinion. That will be considered as relevant under section 51.
I love oranges, and here are the oranges. Do you guys like apples? I'm talking about the fruit, not the iPhones.
Nishan, what's happening there?
Nothing, Papa. With that, I'm concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos.